Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this Peacock makeup look, and I hope you guys enjoy this. I really liked how this turned out. It's not one of my favorites, but I actually loved how it looked. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to start out by using the Jaclyn Hill palette, and we're going to use this yellow. And we're going to start off by using the Morphe M330, which you guys know is my favorite brush right now. And we're actually just using this color as a transition shade. And just take your time, guys, on it. We're going to blend back and forth and also using circular motions. And we're just going to take it up as high as you want. So, and also we're going to keep adding more color just to get it to the color that you like. And the only reason why I got this, why I did this look was because I realized that Jaclyn Hill's palette has been sitting in my cabinet drawer for a while, since I got it basically, and I haven't played around with it. So I decided, well, why not just get it out now and play around with it. And yeah, guys, this is the look that I created. So yeah. Now we're gonna be using this, like, I want to say it's like a teal, dark teal shade, and we're going to be using the same brush, guys, and we're actually going to be applying this on our crease line and our outer V, and we're going to take it into our crease line, but right above the crease line as well. We're going to be using the same brush, guys, the Morphe M506, and just blend, guys. That's all I can say, honestly. Blend, 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 blend. The next shade we're going to be using is this like brown tone, and we're going to be using the Morphe M506, and we're going to use this shade on the upper eyelid, like over our crease line, just so we have that nice transition colors, so they transition into that darker shade. And guys, like I always tell you, this brush is like bomb. I really enjoy this brush. Like, these brushes are amazing. I do recommend getting your hands on them because they are amazing. Like, I am not kidding, guys. These are amazing. So we're going to be taking the Revolution concealer in C1 and our Wet n Wild flat round brush. We're just going to use this to cut half of our crease. And the only reason why I took this concealer out is because I actually really enjoyed this concealer, and it's really affordable and it dries super fast. So I was like, why not just empty this bad boy? So just take our time on this cut crease, guys. So unfortunately I wasn't able to record what shade I used, but I used the, if you guys have this palette, you know how I showed you guys the color, that dark teal color? Well, it's that teal shimmer in the palette that I used. And I'm really sorry, I really forgot about this. My husband was in the room, so I was talking to him and I got distracted. But yeah, we're using the same brush just to pat on the product. And now we're using that dark teal just to blend these two shades together. And I'm using this luminous eyeliner or pencil liner just to line my makeup, the look, and put it all together. And I actually won this in a giveaway, which I was so excited because I actually enjoyed this brand. So if you guys are interested, I will have the link down below so you can check out this this makeup brand. And for highlight, I'm using the Glow Kit, and I'm using this Summer. I can't forget, I always forget what Sun Dip or something like that. It's from Anastasia, but if you guys know about the packaging, so you know. But we're gonna be highlighting the same place every time I highlight the ridge of my nose, cheekbones, Cupid's bow, and my lid, and blah blah blah, all these places. So you guys know the drill. Alright guys, so this is a finished look. I hope you guys enjoy this, and don't forget to subscribe and share my channel, guys. I really hope you like this look, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.